Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I am doing my first ever, yes, you heard right, my first ever Ipsy unboxing. It took me a while to get on the Ipsy train, but I'm finally on it and I just want to see what all the commotion is about. So there will be spoilers. I'm pretty sure everybody has already gotten their Ipsy. I think I'm a little bit late. Today's the 18th, yes, the 18th, and I just received it. It's straight hot out of the oven from the mailbox. So I'm gonna let you guys know, show you what I got in my bag. So on another really quick note, you guys can see down here or down here, I'm not sure what side, my subscribers. You guys are awesome. I just hit 1,000 subscribers and I am super happy. I just never thought I would see that number on my channel page. I'm just like in shock. I'm so grateful to each and every one of you who subscribed. There's a lot of things going on right now in YouTube, a lot of things that are not making many of us happy, but we just gotta push through it and we gotta do what we love, and that should be the most important thing why we're here. So yeah, if you guys want to see what I got on my Ipsy January 1st glam bag, continue watching. Okay, so here's the package. I actually really like the color of the baggie. It's really cute. It goes perfect with the Ipsy logo. And in the back right here it says, caution, keep package away from direct sunlight. So I like that precaution that they actually put in the package. So it comes with tape. I think you guys all know, right? But I'm so excited because it's like my first unboxing for an Ipsy bag. Let's see. Oops. Okay, so first thing that I got here is a Sex Kitten Tarte. It's an eyeliner. I believe it's an eyeliner. So the first product is an eyeshadow. Well, it says micronized pigments, layers on and blends out effortlessly. This is in the shade Posse. Anyways, I'll leave the little name down below, and let's go ahead and check out the shade. So here is the little shadow, and it does come with a sponge. I took it out already. The shade looks really beautiful. It's up my alley. It's rosy. It's like a mauve-y, and it does have shimmer. You guys can see that. Go ahead and swatch it, and I do hope that my camera is picking it up, and I'll swatch it on the back of my hand right there. So it is a shimmery, beautiful lid shade. For the first product, I really like it. It's a beautiful color. Next is going to be oh, this is a little card that comes with it, and it does say I will conquer, and it has a blank line, so I'm guessing you fill that in. In the comment section down below, let me know what you will conquer, what you feel you need to conquer this year, 2018. I would love to know. Now in the back it does say, what will you conquer, fill in the blank. On the flip side of this card, post it on social and tag Ipsy and hashtag Ipsy Game Face. Make sure to cheer on other Ipsters too. Let's reach our goals together. Pretty nice, cute, motivational card, and it says Game Face. So that's the card for this month. The next product is, ooh, I like it already. It's a, what is this? Balance, Hydrating, and Calming Serum. How does Ipsy know that I like skincare? It's by Jean Seu, and the brand is Lourdes. It does say that apply a thin layer after cleansing. Use morning and night. Discontinue use if rash, irritation, or redness occurs. So for the third product, I received the NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Satin Ribbon. I believe I already have this shade, so I'm not going to open it or swatch it or anything like that, so I can put it in a future giveaway. So it's this one right here. The fourth product is it's a little contour palette, and it comes in little bubble wrap. Very cute. Okay. And this is by City Color. Now the shades look really good. There is a contour and a bronzer. Yes, this is a contour, this is a bronzer, and the highlight. So for the contour shade, I'm gonna go ahead and just swatch it here. Ooh, it's a nice contour shade. It's a little intense, but with the light hand, it'll look really good. Then we have the warmer tone bronzer right here. Oh, I like those. Very pigmented. And now the highlight. Oh, okay. So now the highlight is not as white as it looks on the palette, but it's a little chalky, I'm not gonna lie, but I really like it. Once you blend it out, it looks really nice. So good job. I like this. Okay, so the last product is this right here, and this is a Gold Lust dry shampoo by Oribe, and it says shampooing second. I have recently started liking hair products. I've never really been a fan of hair products because if you guys have been following me, you guys know I'm always in buns. I love buns. I live in buns. They're everything to me. But recently I've been really liking hair products. So it came at a good time, and I've heard so many good things of this product. I'm extremely satisfied with my first Ipsy Glam bag. I really do like it. I think that for $10 a month, it is a really great subscription. You get 5 products that you get to try out, which is really good. I'm all about travel size products, very small products. I like anything that I can try out before committing to getting a full size product. So it does give you a chance to try out different things for $10 a month, which is really good. I really do like it, so I'm going to continue with my subscription, and I'll see if I'll keep bringing out more videos every month on my unboxings. Let me know what you guys got, because I'm pretty sure not everybody gets the same products, depending on the profile, on how you filled it out, what your preferences are. I know that products vary from person to person. That's gonna complete the video for today. Thank you so much for hanging out with me for my little first unboxing of Ipsy. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and be part of my channel. Hit that like button, that way I know you guys like these little unboxings, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys. It's taken me a while. It has taken